Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and this is my GoPro low light video testing video. And here I am going to show you how low light work, or how GoPro can capture the video or video quality in low light. So basically I believe that if you're thinking to purchase GoPro camera for your content creation work, or for your blog, YouTube channel, or anything, then you can think about that. Here is the real color quality or video quality in low light, in the dark light. So you can think about that. This is just a review. I have purchased this camera as a to use as a webcam, to use as a action camera, also to use as a for my content creation work. So basically I try to use it for multi-purpose. What support GoPro, and what it say in their review, or in their package, or in their features. So I found that GoPro is not totally perfect for in-house video, and that's why I share this